Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add decals in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are in, click on the Create tab at the top of the screen. This will take you to the creation page where all your games and tools are listed. Next, under the creation section, choose Development item. Under this, you will see the Decals tab, click on it. Now, click on the Upload Assets button and select the image you want to upload as a decal. Make sure your image follows Roblox rules and formats. After selecting the file, give your decal a name in the name box and then click the Upload button. Once it's uploaded, go to the Decals tab in your creations list, click on the decal you just uploaded and you will be taken to its details page. Now in the settings, turn on the option Distribute on Creator Store if you want your decal to be available on the Roblox Creator Store. And that's it, now you know how to add decals in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.